Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my another new video. And today I have come to the river. After completing my Asr prayer, I am come here for making video. You know that I make a video every day for my spoken English. So okay, if you try to do something better in your life, you have to pay your full attention. Unless you pay your attention, you to your ambition, you can't be able to reach your goal. So firstly, try to set a goal, and then try to best to achieve your goal. You know that I want to be a fluent speaker, English speaker. That's why I study and practice every single day. Consequently, my English level is better than before. So if you want to be a good speaker or anything in your life, you try to practice, you try to hard working. So it is my regular duty. I make a video and I narrate my daily activities with English, and I share in my Facebook page and Facebook ID. Thank you everybody for watching my video, and I will see again. I come back again another day, another topic, inshallah. Till then, stay with us. May Allah bless of all of us. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.